welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I just wanted to come to my family and talk about some summer fragrant classics that I love. And when I think about a classic fragrance, I think about a fragrance that can stand the test of time, that is just a huge goer, okay? Can go with you anywhere, but some are new classics, right, that I have in this lineup. So I don't think a classic has to be an old fragrance, but a fragrance that delivers for the time period that you're talking about. Yes, I feel like that could be classified as a classic fragrance. And so because we are in the summer, we're going to discuss summer classics. First classic fragrance that I want to start with is one that I have worn to bed, one I have worn out in the world, a day party, nighttime date. I have worn this quite a few times, and it is a odor fragrance, but I must talk about this patchouli, tonka bean, vanilla, amber diva called, yes, Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel. I feel like this is such a classic fragrance, such a feminine fragrance, but one that lasts a long time, okay? And it's warm. So I feel like this delivers on the classic, like, again, bedtime. I've experienced this day and night. She is so good, especially for the summertime. If you are trying to stand out but don't want to be cloying, this is one to look at or to pull out of your fragrance wardrobe, because I know you probably have this. This is definitely a beautiful feminine fragrance for this summer. Another fragrance that I would classify as a summer classic fragrance is none other than from Viktor & Rolf, Flower Bomb. Again, I feel like this is an oldie but a goodie. We have some orchids, some freesia, some patchouli, and vanilla in this. I feel like all of those notes just bring such a dynamic fragrance such as Flower Bomb. I mean, there was a song that had Flower Bomb in it, so clearly she is a classic for that sexy woman, okay? This is such an uplifting, fresh fragrance. This can go for all types of special events if you wanted to. This can also go for a casual day, but for me, definitely a more put together casual day. Maybe. I might not be put together, but this is a beautiful summer fragrance, a classy fragrance that just uplifts you and just puts me in the mindset of being on a tropical island. This is such a beautiful, beautiful fragrance, and it had to be on my summer classic lineup. And this is Flower Bomb from Viktor & Rolf. Next up, we have a fragrance that I feel like stands decades, okay? This summertime beauty has many flankers, okay? Many flankers after flankers after flankers. So I know you probably have one of these flankers, and it is definitely a great classic fragrance for this summertime, and that is Marc Jacobs Daisy, okay? I have Days. This is Days, and there are so many Marc Jacobs flankers, okay? And this is, again, Daisy Days. This is a citrus musk, beautiful fragrance that had to be on this classic list, all right? So I know you have many Marc Jacobs fragrances, from the Intense, all types of them are out there. And so, or Oh So Fresh, there are so many, right? Pull your Marc Jacobs fragrances out, because this summer, it needs you, sis. It needs your body, and the people will thank you, and you can thank me later. Well, this beautiful fragrance not only has leather, we have bergamot in there, so it brightens it up. We also have tuberose in this. We have a sensual musk and also vanilla. From Narciso Rodriguez for her. This is so beautiful. You all, it is so fresh and pleasant. The leather note is not harsh and rough. All the notes just blend seamlessly together. It is such a crisp, beautiful, fresh fragrance. I adore this, especially for the summer. If you're looking for a little bit more depth, not so much the girly girl, but you still want to turn heads during the summer, but be impacting, this is what you want. This is so good for this summertime. And with this fresh burst of a rose, you're going to get compliments galore. Okay, sis? Trust me, this is a winner, especially for this lineup. Next up, we have a bergamot vetiver musk peach mandarin. So citrus is all in this type of fragrance that will knock your socks off. Now, this is a newer classic in my opinion, in my book, but a classic nonetheless, okay? And that is Valaya. She had to be on this list. I feel like a lot of people are talking about her. Now we have a Valaya cream. I mean, you can't get much better, okay? This is so good. Some love and some do not, which is totally fine. But I feel like she is such a beautiful, fresh peach, orange, citrus. Like, I feel like this is so beautiful, especially for this summer season. She had to be on my classic list. It is so good. So good. And did I mention so good? So for a classic, beautiful, luxury fragrance that will steal your heart away, look no further than Valaya from Parfums de Marly. Next up, we have another citrus fragrance that has a peach note in this. We have bergamot, we have rose. I feel like this is such a classic luxury fragrance. I feel like in the summertime, you kind of have to have this if you are a fragrance lover, but maybe not. Maybe it's just me, okay? My opinion. But maybe she's near or about to be near. And I am talking about none other than Creed Aventus for her. I feel like this is such a luxury classic summer fragrance. I mean, pretty much this is also like a signature fragrance to me. I feel like you can kind of get away with this throughout all seasons. It just depends on where you wear it to, but I feel like she can kind of play a role for the entire year. I'm sorry, I smelled the whiff of it. It is so good, so classic. If you're looking for another like citrus, fresh, luxury fragrance, look no further. She is a goer, okay? I love this. I mean, it has stood the test of time. I feel like this is a fragrance to add to your beautiful fragrance wardrobe, and I feel like she will do you a great justice, sis, okay? So good. I love her down. You know, everything's so good. I love her down, and I hope that you love her too. But if you don't, comment down below. Let me know why. I would love to know all the different perspectives on Creed Aventus for her. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my summer classic fragrances. What are some of your classic fragrances that you love to wear during the summertime? I would love to know. Comment down below. Hit me up. Let me know all the things you just enjoy wearing. You have to wear them, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up so others can join this beautiful family. And make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.